Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is gonna be a part two to showing you guys my slimes. My other video, it's my new slimes 101, and this is a part 2 of my slimes 101. And this is my dog. This is really cute. And there's music because my parents like to put music on. And that's why I'm in my room, so it's more quiet. And yeah, let me just show you my slimes. Wait, before, please like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first slime, I have two slimes that I've done in the other video, and that one's this yellow butter slime and this green butter slime. So I'm just gonna show you this green butter slime first. This is what it looks like, and so this is what the slime looks like. If you guys seen my other video, then you guys should know that this is my green butter slime and know what it already looks like. And let me tell you guys, this is my second YouTube video on my channel, so yeah. And my dog is here again. So yeah, this is what my butter slime looks like, and I don't have a butter knife right now, but I can do this on my hands. It's not as satisfying as it is with a butter knife because it like really spread it like butter, and it looks a lot like more fun with a knife for some reason, in my point of view though. OMG, my dog. It's in the way. Sorry guys, just my dog is kind of driving me insane, so I'm just gonna take her out. So I haven't took her out because she didn't want to get out, and I don't want her to start crying because then it'll be even more noise. So I just left her inside and told her that she's gonna be quiet from now on. I know that's kind of weird, but okay. So yeah, this is the slime, and this is the first slime that I'm going to show you, and let's just go into the second slime. Okay, so just putting this in here, as this is the first slime. And the next slime that I'm going to be showing you is the other one that I also did in my other video. Also, if you can, and if you want, you can comment down below for some video ideas, like say Dollar Tree slime challenges, or like truth or dare. It doesn't have to be old slime. You can do it old slime, but it doesn't really matter as long as they're not like, please don't do anything like, oh, put slime on your head, like if you do dares, because I really don't know how to take it out. So I'm gonna just show you the slime already, and this is just the computer. And I know in my last video I said that my channel was called Stephanie Suriel. It actually wasn't. It was called Angelina Marie, because Stephanie Suriel was my mom's, and then she changed it. So if you guys knew, if you wanted to check out my other video, please don't like search for Stephanie Suriel, search for Angelina Marie. And you guys have to like scroll down, like probably not too much, but you guys have to scroll down, and then you guys are gonna see like a person like in pink, like just a regular person. That's just my brother's making noise. And then you guys can just check out my other video and this one. So yeah, this is a really cool slime. This reminds me of frosting, like vanilla frosting, a lot. I don't know why. Maybe it's the color of it, but I really like it. Let's just go on to the second slime. I mean, to the third slime. I really like this slime for some reason. Maybe it's because it's like really stretchy. That was just my brother who came in. My dog got out because he wanted my dog. So yeah, let me just put this away and take this slime, and I know it's in a bag and it looks messy. It might take me a while to take it out. So I have took out the slime from the bag, and this is what the slime looks like. It's a light pink with beads in it. So basically like a crunchy slime. Whoa! Well, I can't even reach. And let me just show you the slime. And in the bag it looks like way bigger than this, but that's okay. I have a lot of crunchy slimes. Crunchy slime is not my favorite. I think my favorite slime is fluffy slime because it's fluffy. And I think it has like a better texture. Crunchy slime is like regular slime with beads in it. It does feel pretty satisfying when I play with it. So that's why I have like a lot of slimes that have beads. And my dog's here again. I want like a swirl. No, like this since it's not that stretchy. Oops. This is not that good. And also, if you comment, I will reply. And I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And today's Friday, so yeah. So yeah, let's just go on to the fourth slime. I keep forgetting which slime is which. Like, first I said that this was the second slime. I mean, yeah, the second slime, and I said it was the third. I think it was. Yeah, I think I said that. I keep forgetting. So yeah, let's just go on to the second slime. Next slime is this red slime, and it looks pink on the camera. And it looks crazy because it's in a bag. Yeah. So let me just take it out really quick. This slime is pretty little too, like in the bag. It looks way bigger. But I don't accept a lot, or how are you supposed to, I think it's accept, yeah. Yeah, I didn't really expect it to be big, so that's okay. Because no matter what size or anything it is, as long as it's slime, I mean, like if it's water, okay, it's water, but I like slime a lot. So like, I like my mom, like say she was saying, OMG, say that she was doing slime, and then she says like, oh, it's too little, and I'm like, oh, it doesn't matter how little or big or rubbery or stretchy it is, as long as it's slime. But for real, rubbery is basically, for me, it's not really slime, because you can't stretch it, you can't really play with it as well. Like once I made one that's really rubbery, because I like put the glue inside of the solution, the borax solution, and then it just got really rubbery. Cause like there is less glue than activator, and that isn't good. So yeah, let me make a swirl with this, and this is a bad swirl. So yeah, let's go on to sorry. Let's go on to the fourth slime. No, to the fifth slime actually. I don't even know what's going on with me. Like I can't even talk. Like I keep repeating myself. So yeah, let's go on to the fifth slime. I know I'm really crazy because again, that I keep repeating myself, and like I can't pronounce stuff. Like right now I said I can't pronounce myself. But that's not how I really act. It's just I'm tired, and then like when I'm tired, I don't act normal how I act in the daytime. So yeah, let's go on to the fifth slime again. This is what the fifth slime looks like, and it's a Floam slime. So yeah, let me just open it up really fast, and yeah. This is a Floam slime, and the beads are like really big. I don't know what happened. They're not like super big, but like they're not small, but they're not big. They're like medium, and for me, like it's too big for the size of this slime. Those are my brothers. They're just screaming for no reason because they're playing a game, and they're like every time they win, they like start screaming. Comment down below, even though this is not part of the slime thing. Comment down below if you have siblings or not, and like what's the most annoyingest thing that they do to you. Cause I have 5 brothers and 0 sisters, and it's like a lot of work. Cause like the last time all my brothers were living with me, they're a mess. Like I always have to clean up after them, and I really don't like that. That's why I want my own room, and I have to share a room. That's pretty messed up. But now I don't live with them. I live with 2 of my brothers. Then the 3 live in Philadelphia. Let me make a swirl with this, and then we'll go on to the 6th one, which is the last one. So yeah, this was the 5th slime. Let's go on to the 6th one. I really hope you guys like the slime. I did, but the only thing I didn't like is, again, that the beads are like too big for this slime. That's so cool. Ow. Yeah, let's go on to the 6th slime. This is what it looks like, and it's also a crunchy slime. And that's my brother. This is how you can tell that it's a crunchy slime. Like literally, all the beads are like in one spot. Like I don't see any over here. Just taking it out of the bag. Whoa, look at all the beads. Whoa. Look at those beads. Beads. Sounds like these beats, like for your ears. I really don't understand why, like, slimes and bags, they look big, but then, like, when you take it out, it's small. This one is kind of rubbery, and I think it's because, like, it spreads around, and then, like, when you put it together, it's small. That makes sense. Oh no, my doggy's in the way again. Sorry about my dog, guys. It's like disturbing the video. So guys, this was the last slime for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and just please comment down below for some video ideas. And yeah, bye guys, hope you have a fantastic day.